Okay, today is about the 3D model texture. So let's say I will import our 3D model FBX file into the Unity or somewhere. So we'll be losing the texture and the color, right? So like this, I have the 3D model is the beast. For example, this one is a bee. So you can see the beast is blank, right? Sometimes will be pink color also, right? Yeah, let me turn around the beast for you guys. So maybe degree so sometimes it's the blank color is because it losing the texture. So losing the texture, what we will do normally we import together with the texture together with the SPX before we import the FPX 3D inside. So let's see, we try got two options. Neither we drag our texture inside first or another methods. So now we try the first method whether can work or not. If still cannot work because the texturing, you can click the 3D model here and then you can see the inspector here. Inspector here, after you click the 3D model in your access folder and then you can see the inspector window here, you can see model, rate and the animation and also the materials. So here the materials, we can see here the color is none for the material. So that means it didn't have the material. Basically we import the 3D model already have the color already. So you can have two options. You can drag your this one color to the material, or if didn't work right, you can extract your material in the new folder. Yeah. So this material. So you extract here. So after that, got the color material here. So the next thing what you do, you click this one, it will direct to your material. So what we do, we can click back the texture, click back the color, and then go to the texture and then drag your picture to it here, belong here. Then your color is come out already. Okay. So you can see all the color is mapping already. Okay. So this one is the 3D model, the material problem. Okay. Or we can try another method is like this. So now I try import together. Okay. Sorry, still need to extract the material. So extract the material, these materials. Okay. So you have the material already. So what we do, we just drag the texture to the background. So will be have a color. Can. Okay. Next step is about the animation. If you create the 3D from the Blender, right? It export as the FBX. So you can expand your 3D model. You can see the one triangle, the green color one. So but you cannot drag in, right? Didn't make it workable. So what we do, we click back the 3D model under access file. You can see the rate here, the depth rate. So now is didn't have the avatar, right? So what we do, we change the no avatar to create from this model. Or maybe you can optimize the game object and then apply. So here will be have the avatar here. So now you click back the 3D model in your hierarchy here, Windows. So you can see now got the new component inside animator here. Right? So next step, what we do, we need to create the animator controller for the beast. So we try create here. So create animator controller. So we be controller. Okay. So we double click the controller. So what we do, we can see any state and entry. So we drag the animation inside. Then will help you to connect it with the entry and the animation. Okay. So next step is you click back the B boy animation here. You still see the animator controller is none. So you drag you just now the animator controller inside. After that, you try see whether it's workable or not. Yeah, it's workable already. Be hang. Okay. So that means normal anime physically always anime and then play again. If like this, right, just play the animation a while, then stop already, then you go back the animator and then drag one more the animation be let the two animation connect to each other so that have a loop. Okay, so we trying. Okay, it will keep animate. So be careful the animator here. So I connect these two animation to each other. That means it will loop together. Loop. After this one done, then we go back this one and then loop the same animation. Okay. So the first step is to create the avatar from the rig. Next is create the animator controller for it. Next is drag the animation to the animator and then make it look it. Okay. Can. So to there, I think will be like this.